Good morning, guys. So it's not even morning. I'm not about to lie to y'all. It's like 4:30 in the afternoon. I know I told y'all I had this whole thing planned. I was gonna go work out, do my hair, but I literally got off work. Oh, what is it? I literally got off work and I went to sleep. I was so tired. I work nights, so I don't get no sleep at night. So my hours is different. It's 4:30 and I'm just waking up. So the plans that I have for today are no longer. So we're gonna see how this day goes now, because like y'all said, I keep telling y'all I'm moving out. I have to pack up. I haven't started yet, so I have started, but I only do like a little bit a day, so I have to do that. So what is that?
Planning a long trip?
But y'all, yeah, I would just let y'all know that my day has not been going as planned. I'm literally just waking up and I don't feel like moving, and I need to take a shower before anything. So I'm about to take a shower and I'm gonna see where my day takes me. So hey y'all, so I got my chill clothes on. I just got the shower. I'm not gonna do like what I had planned for today. I was supposed to, you know what I'm saying, go work out, do my hair and all that good stuff, but sometimes your day just don't go like that. I was really tired. I got home at like 9:30 this morning and I fell asleep and I didn't wake up till 4:30. So you know, sometimes it doesn't go as planned. So I probably won't be vlogging too much today because I'm really not about to do nothing. I'm just about to finish packing up stuff in my apartment. Y'all, but stay tuned though. I know my vlogs have been very, very boring, but once I move out of this apartment and get out of here, it's gonna get lit up for y'all, okay? It's gonna get real litty, so y'all gotta stay tuned for that, okay? But yeah, stay tuned for that. Yeah, so I guess I'm probably gonna see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna just continue this vlog into tomorrow and see what tomorrow has planned. So I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay guys, so I just finished washing my hair. Like I told y'all yesterday, I needed to work out and wash my hair. Well, I ain't gonna lie, I still ain't work out, but I got my hair washed. So I'm about to do this curly hair routine, just something quick because I have to go somewhere really quick. And I'm like competing against time right now, so let me get started. Okay guys, so after I take my diffuser or whatever this is called, I don't even know what it's called, and get my hair like most of the way dry, I put my hair into sections, and I go section by section. Ooh, don't fall. And I put this part, the little, I don't know if that's what that's called either. I put that part back on the blow dryer, and I'm just gonna stretch my curls now because I don't like the shrinkage. I like bigger hair. Hold on, let me grab it so I don't mess up my curls. So that stretched my curls out. It kind of like took away the curliness up here, but left it on the end, so that's fine, especially in the back of my hair. In the front, you know what I'm saying, I'll be like root to tip curly, but in the back I don't care too much as long as my ends are curly. But this is how I stretch my hair after I do my wash and go. You see it made it longer compared to this side. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that over my whole head. Okay y'all, so this is after I've stretched my hair and everything. I'm all dry. I'm just gonna get these edges together. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like this is the first time I've ever liked my wash and go. Like, it's popping. I'm feeling it though. I don't know y'all, this must be my day today. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. Y'all, for some reason this side is like my weird side. It looked in the other clip like this side was longer than this side, but it's really not. This side is just always acting weird, and it won't stretch like this side does. I realized that after I looked at the clip, like, why does it look like that? But I tried to stretch it as best as I can and even it out. But yeah, I'm just about to finish cleaning my apartment like I told y'all I've been doing all week. I gotta finish doing that. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I should probably come back on camera and in my vlog probably after that. So y'all, so I forgot to come on camera yesterday when I got done cleaning. I just wanted to end my vlog basically. I forgot to end it. So yes, this is the end of my vlog, y'all. So but yeah, I'm most likely see you guys tomorrow. Y'all know I record every day now, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all tomorrow.